In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your iMessage number from your iPhone. If you're trying to stop using your number for iMessages, there are a few options you can explore depending on your needs. Whether you want to disable iMessage entirely, just remove your phone number, or no longer have your iPhone, there's a way to work around each situation. First, let's talk about turning off iMessage completely. This option will disable iMessage for your number and device, and it's quite straightforward. To begin, open your iPhone and navigate to the settings. Once you are in settings, scroll down until you find apps, then tap on messages. There you should see the iMessage option. Simply toggle the switch to the off position. Doing this will turn off iMessage, meaning that you will no longer be able to send or receive iMessages on this device. If you want to keep iMessage enabled but want to remove your phone number from it, there's another route you can take. Go back to the settings, access messages again by following the same path. Settings, then apps, then messages. This time you're going to tap on send and receive. Under the section labelled you can receive iMessages to and reply from, you'll see a list of various contact options including your phone number and possibly your Apple ID email. Uncheck your phone number from this list. If you need to still receive iMessages, you can leave just your Apple ID email checked. This way you maintain the functionality of iMessage without involving your phone number. Now let's explore the third option, deregistering your number, which is especially useful if you no longer have your iPhone. In this case, you want to head over to Apple's website, specifically to the page designed for deregistering iMessage, which can be found by searching for deregister iMessage on Apple's support site. Once there, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. After that, Apple will send you a verification code via SMS. Enter this code on the website and your number will be deregistered from iMessage. It's an essential step if you're switching to a different type of phone and want to ensure you don't miss any messages. Each of these methods offers a different approach to managing how your number is used in iMessage. Choose the one that best suits your situation. Remember, if you ever need to revisit these options, you can always follow these steps again. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.